All right, today's video, we got the Travis Scott one and the Mocha one. Which one's better? Let's find out. Yo, what's good everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I told you guys I would cop. We got the Jordan 1 Dark Mochas. Gonna be going through, unbox these bad boys, do a comparison with the Travis Scott Jordan 1s over there. Gonna see materials, the box, color blocking, all the different features. I'm gonna let you guys know why this Dark Mocha is actually an underrated shoe, and it is not a poor man's Travis Scott. It is a very nice shoe. So today we're gonna get into that. I'm definitely excited to show off this pair today. Seeing it in hand literally changes how I was thinking about like the materials and how it actually stacks up against the Travis Scott. But first, for you boy, if you haven't already, make sure smash that subscribe button, follow along, turn the notifications on as well, and let's get into the video. Like I said, today's video, we got the Travis Scott Jordan 1s and then the Dark Mocha Jordan 1s as well. Gonna do a comparison of them. Gonna go through the color blocking, the materials, the boxes, as well as some other details, and give like kind of my opinion on which shoe I think has the better one in each of those categories, and then let you know which one I think is the superior shoe. So like first off, of course, the boxes. You can tell there's not much going on with the Dark Mocha box. It's just the original Jordan 1, retro Jordan 1 box, plain black and red. And I mean, the Travis Scott box isn't too much difference, but it does have that nice like brown and red accent. And I really like that touch on there. So I would have to give the box obviously to Travis just because it's a different box. It's not the same black and red. But I mean, you can't go wrong with the OG box, but Travis wins this one. Next, we're gonna go through the materials on each of the shoe. I think we're just gonna go with the Travis Scott first. Oof. Man, I remember when I caught these on Sneakers app. That was like the best day of my life. Right now you can see I got the pink and black laces on there, switch it up. Guys, this release was actually freaking hard. It was like one of the craziest releases. I know stock was rumored to be very high, but most people honestly struggled a lot trying to cop these shoes. There are lots of rumors of restocks though that will be happening in the future, and I think this is a shoe that is honestly a must for most people's Jordan collections. And hopefully those restocks will happen. There'll be good stock numbers, maybe some in-store restocks as well, as I know that's a lot easier to get for people who may not have a bot or not as experienced like manual on websites. Let's peep the Travis pair first. You can see on the shoe, you have the nice suede around there, all brown suede going through on the upper, the heel right here. You got it on the toe, also going on the eye stray right here. And I mean, I love that touch, and I think the suede on here is really nice. You can honestly tell if the suede is good by if you can see like the different movements on the suede, and you can kind of see that it goes from like dark to light right there. And as we look at the Mocha pair as well on that suede, you can see that it may not be as nice, but it definitely stacks up. And I was very surprised because I thought this is where they're gonna go cheap on the shoe. But honestly, they did a great job with the materials on that suede. Yeah, like I said, it's not as nice. It doesn't have the Cactus Jack face on the back, but it is a really nice shoe still. Looking at the rest of the Travis Scott shoe, you can see up here on the ankle lock, it is a different material. It allows for that Velcro pull right here. And then as you look at the Mocha, you can see it's more of like that leather material. It's a little tougher. On the toe on the Travis Scott Jordan 1, you can see it is that tumbled leather material. I love that when they do that on the toe. I think it complements the toe and actually the Jordan 1 nice, because especially as you kind of crease over time, it doesn't look as bad, I think, with the tumbled, because it already kind of looks like it is like a different kind of worn in material. But then on the Mochas, something I'm very disappointed about is not only on the toe, but here on the side panel as well, this cream like tumbled leather material that they usually do on all Jordan 1s. They did it on like the Obsidians, the shattered backboards. It's not very good on this shoe. It's pretty stiff. It's not like the same buttery material that you can see is on the Travis. It just goes really nice, squeezes really nice. And on these, it's just not the same. So I was kind of disappointed. I know it's a general release and there's a lot more pairs to be made, kind of mass produced, but I think they honestly could have spent maybe the extra $1 per shoe and made that a lot nicer, because it really does help. One thing I do like with the Mochas is that different black color blocking right here. And I think this material is very nice. It kind of hits different in the light, as you can see from like the contrasting from the upper with the brown, and then you have like the different black on the eye stray as well as around the toe cap. So for materials, I'm definitely gonna have to give the Travis Scott the dub on this one. It's close though because the materials are really nice, but I think just that kind of cream side panel right here as well as the toe just not as nice. Third thing I'm going over is the color blocking, and the color blocking is what got everyone excited about both of these shoes really, but with the Mochas, you can see, as we talked about a little bit earlier, we have the brown, transitions into that black all the way around eye stray and the toe, and then it finishes around the other side as well with the suede brown. Up here on the Air Jordan Wings logo, you have it detailed in black. The outsole is black on the Mocha. And then as we move on to the Travis pair, it's just all around that nice brown suede. The backward swoosh is really what does it, honestly, for basically everyone on the Travis Scott. Such an iconic logo design. So I got two things that I really like about the Travis Scott over the Mocha as far as the color blocking. Number one is going to be up on this heel lock, the ankle lock, is this black color. I think that if they did that on the Mocha 1, I think it would make the shoe a lot nicer. I think the colors would kind of complement better. I just don't really vibe with that upper up there. And then the next one is actually the midsole. And you can see between the two, the Travis pair has more of that yellowed kind of vintage outsole, and the Mocha just kind of has a whiter cream sole. And I think the midsole on the Travis is also what brings that brown and black vibe together. So Travis Scott does get the dub with the color blocking, but like it's close because they're just a little bit of details off from making it a lot better of a shoe. So quick review, like I said, the Travis Scott is an iconic shoe. Nike did try to do some similarities. You can see the suedes, the color blocking, the different materials and leathers, but overall the Travis Scott is the better shoe. But as you guys can see throughout the video, I highlighted that this Mocha is a very, very good shoe, and it's definitely not a poor man's Travis Scott. I think it stands out as its own kind of silhouette as a Jordan 1. It's a very, very nice shoe, done very well, and I think it honestly is going to be the best shoe of the year as far as Jordan 1s go. Make sure to comment down below if you guys like the Travis Scott or the Mocha 1s more. I really like the color blocking, like I said, on the Mochas, but it's the Travis's that is the winner for me. Hopefully there should be some more chances for everyone to cop some Mochas. Everyone should be getting a pair. Europe hasn't even dropped yet, so hopefully those prices will keep going down so some of you guys that really want a personal can cop. That's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you guys for sticking around. If you haven't already, remember to hit that subscribe button, like, comment. You guys are the best. Check out my Instagram. Got a lot of shoes going up on there all the time. See you guys next time.